Let me show you how to build a prefabricated building on this farm, which will serve as a hay storage. We already have a foundation, so let's get started. First step is installing the base plates to which we will later anchor the steel parts. We drill holes into the concrete through the pre-drilled holes on the base plates and mount them securely with threaded rod, chemical anchor, and nut. Then we assemble arches on the ground. All you really need for this process are the parts and bolts and nuts which we supply with your order. Finally, let's start building. The process is simple. We lift the arches with a crane and mount them together with bolts and nuts. It truly is as simple as it seems. We continue like this up to the very end of the steel building. Last step is tightening the bolts, ensuring waterproof joint, and we are finished. The result is this beautiful building from galvanized steel with anthracite organic coating. Our arched buildings are fully demountable, giving you flexibility for future relocation or expansion. We offer a cost-friendly solution without compromising durability or performance. The steel parts are produced in our factory located near Prague, Czech Republic, with materials sourced from trusted suppliers, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Send us a non-binding inquiry today and we can create something similar like this together.